Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Madhuversity. Today we are going to learn class 9 rational numbers exercise 1.5. So before proceeding to that, let's recall the identities of exponents. A power m into a power n gives a power m plus n. A power m whole power n gives a power m into n, that is a power mn. A power m by a power n gives a power m minus n, where m is greater than n. A power m into b power m gives ab whole power m. Here both the exponents are same, that is a power m, b power m. This will give a into b whole power m, the same exponent. Now 1 by a power n is written as a power minus n. A power 0 is always 1. Any number power 0 gives 1. Nth root of a is written as a power 1 by n. A power m by n is written as nth root of a whole power m. This also can be written as nth root of a power m. Okay? I hope we are clear with the identities now. So let's proceed to exercise 1.5. Let's start exercise 1.5 of chapter 1, that is rational numbers. So the question is, find 64 power 1 by 2. I'll tell an easy way for that. So in order to solve this, let us see if we can find 64 as a power of some number which is equal to 2. That is a number to the power of 2. 64 should be equal to a number which is a power of 2 so that it can be solved easily. So let's see. 64, let's see how can we do this. 64, can we write it as any number power of 2? Let's see. 64 can be written as 8 into 8. Wow. So 8 into 8 can be written as 8 power 2. Right? Now we have to solve 64 power 1 by 2. Right? So 64, as we have solved, can be written as 8 power 2. So this one whole power 1 by 2. So let's recall the identities of exponents which has a power m whole power n, right? So what does this give? A power mn. So using this identity, we can write 8 square whole power 1 by 2 as 8 power 2 into 1 by 2. Yes? Clear? Now 2 into 1 by 2, can we cancel the numerator and the denominator? Yes. So finally what do we get? 8 power 1, that is equal to 8. So the answer is 8. So 64 power 1 by 2 gives 8. Okay. So now we are going to solve the next question, that is 32 power 1 by 5. So as discussed earlier, let us see if we can write 32 in terms of exponent 5, that is a number to the power of 5, so that we can solve it easily. So let's see. 32 can be written as 4 into 8, right? Now this can be further simplified as 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, which gives us 2 power 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 32 power 1 by 5 can be written as 2 power 5 whole power 1 by 5. Now let's recall the identities. So a similar identity which we can recall is a power m whole power n. What does this give? A power mn. So let's use this identity. 2 power 5 whole power 1 by 5. This can be written as 2 power 5 into 1 by 5. So can we cancel the numerator and denominator? Yes. So what does this give? 2 power 1. That is 2. So what is the answer for this? It is 2. 32 power 1 by 5 gives 2. Okay. Now let's solve the next question. That is 125 power 1 by 3. So what do? How do we solve this? As similar as we have solved the previous questions. So let's see if we can write 125 as a power of 3. Like as any number to the power of 3. As we have written 64 and 32. So let's see how can we write 125. So 125 can be written as 5 into 25. So this can be written as 5 into 5 into 5, right? So 125 power 1 by 3 can be written as 5 cube whole power 1 by 3. Now let's recall the identities. So which identity will suit this? The a power m whole power n gives a power mn. So 5 power 3 whole power 1 by 3 gives us 5 power 3 into 1 by 3. So let's cancel the numerator and denominator. So what do we get? 5 power 1. That's equal to 5. This is the answer. So 125 power 1 by 3 gives 5. So in this kind of problems, what we do is initially we have to check whether the given number can be written as a number with an exponent equal to the denominator of the exponent given in the question. If we can write so, it will be very easy for us to solve the question. Okay? Now let's proceed to the next question. So we have 9 to the power of 3 by 2. So how are we going to solve this? As discussed earlier, let's see if we can write 9 in terms of a number to the exponent of 2. Why only 2? Because here in the exponent, the denominator is 2. That makes our solution little easy. So let's see whether we can write 9 in terms of a number to the power of 2. 9 can be written as 3 into 3. That is 3 power 2, right? So 9 power 3 by 2 can be written as 3 square to the power of 3 by 2. Now let's recall the identities. Which identity is similar to this? It is a power m to the power of n. So what does this give? A power mn. So now let's solve this. 3 square to the power of 3 by 2. So this can be written as 3 power 2 into 3 by 2. Now can we cancel the numerator and denominator? Yes. So what does this give? 3 cube. So what is 3 cube? 3 square is 9. 3 cube gives 9 into 3, that is 27. So what is the answer for this? 27. So 9 power 3 by 2 gives 27. Now let's proceed to the next problem. Similarly, 32 to the power of 2 by 5. So how are we going to solve this? It is a very simple one, which is a similar way to the previous problem. So let's see if we can write 32 in terms of a number to the power of 5. Why 5? Because here the denominator is 5. Let's see if we can write 32 in terms of a number to the power of 5. So let's see. 32 can be written as 4 into 8. So this further can be written as 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. So how many 2's? 2 to the power of 5, right? So now 32 to the power of 2 by 5 can be written as 2 power 5 to the power of 2 by 5. So which identity can we use here to solve this? Similar to the previous one, a power m to the power n gives us a power m into n. So 2 power 5 to the power of 2 by 5 will give us 2 power 5 into 2 by 5. So let's cancel the numerator and denominator. Now what do we get? 2 square, that is 4. So what is the answer? 4. 32 to the power of 2 by 5 gives us 4. Now let's go to the next question. It is 16 to the power of 3 by 4. So as solved earlier, now what we have to do? We have to check whether 16 can be written in the form of a number to the power of 4, because here the denominator is 4. So let's see whether we can write. 16 can be written as 4 into 4, right? So this can further be written as 2 into 2, 2 into 2. That is 2 power 4. So 16 can be written as 2 power 4. 16 power 3 by 4 can be written as 2 power 4 to the power of 3 by 4. So which identity are we going to use now? Yes, the same one. A power m whole power n gives us a power mn. So 16 power 3 by 4 gives us 2 power 4 to the power of 3 by 4, which can further be simplified as 2 power 4 into 3 by 4. Yes, here we have used the identity a power m power n, which gives a power mn. So a power m power n gives a power mn. This and this gets cancelled, and this is 2 cube. That is 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So what is the answer for this? 8. So 16 power 3 by 4 gives 8. Okay. Now let's proceed to the next question. Now let's see the next question. It is 125 power minus 1 by 3. So how do we solve this? As discussed earlier, let's see if we can write 125 in terms of a number to the power of 3. Why 3? Because here the denominator of the exponent is 3. Let's see if we can write it. So 125 can be written as 5 into 25, right? Now this, when further simplified, we can write this as 5 into 5 into 5. That is 5 cube. So 125 to the power of minus 1 by 3 can be written as 5 cube to the power of minus 1 by 3. Now how do we solve this? Which identity are we going to use here? The same identity, which is a power m to the power n gives a power mn. Is it so? A power m to the power n, right? So 5 cube to the power of minus 1 by 3. What does this give? 5 to the power of 3 into minus 1 by 3. Right? Can we cancel the numerator and denominator? Yes, of course. This and this can be cancelled. So what do we get? 5 power minus 1. This is the answer. And this can be further simplified as 1 by 5. Okay. Why 1 by 5? Here we can say one more identity. A power minus 1 can be written as 1 by a. Okay. So what is the answer for our solution, for our question? It is either 1 by 5, or you can write it as 5 power minus 1. Both are correct. So 125 power minus 1 by 3 can be written as 5 power minus 1 or 1 by 5. Right? Okay. I hope I have given a clear explanation about the questions to be solved in exercise 1.5. The rest of the questions I'll solve it in the next episode. I hope I helped you to learn this in a simpler way. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubts, please do mention in the comments so that I can solve it. Thank you.